boys. We'll get started. We'll get one lined up there.
If I beat you, I've got one f***ing arm.
Don't just kill me. Right now, Louis, there's a $500 bet. If anyone can beat Zarafa, they get $500. Tell me, what was it that made you want to fight on December 17th?
Just for a show of his boss, get in that ring and win.
What are you looking forward to most on fight night?
Holding something like a deck chair.
We're down to 2. Could it be you? Push, boys, push!
No, I think he's a great guy. He's got heart, and I've got nothing but respect to him. Like, he was a great fight at the first, and I'm looking forward to do it again.
There's so much that you got to learn, so much you got to remember. You've got to stay composed, keep your hands up, head moving. It's such a difficult sport, and when they say, oh, you know, it's a one-man sport, you're there by yourself, you're literally in the ring by yourself. You've got to remember everything you've done in training and yeah, perform on the night, which last time I didn't do. This time he's facing a different fighter.
Boys, fantastic work today. Good core, good cardio. Smashed it. 5 weeks out. This is where you want to be with your fitness levels. Thank you to Michael Zarafa. Fantastic job, boys. And,
well done, guys.
Thank you, sis. MVP, baby.